As of now, we understood variety of variables related to C language. Normally, all of them are classified into built-in variables, derived variables, and user-defined variables. For example, integers, float, char, long, double, etc. are called as built-in variables, whereas strings, 1D arrays, 2D arrays are called as derived variables. Now, this chapter main aim is to understand about the user-defined variables such as structures, unions, and enumerators. We may get doubt, why do we require user-defined variables? Main objective of the user-defined variables is to make some problems tractable, that is, able to be done. You may be wondering what the word tractability is. Let us assume that in our language we don't have 2D array at all, but I still wanted you to develop a flexible matrix multiplication program. Can you imagine to develop it? No, you cannot develop it. Even if you develop it, it may be very rigid. It may work for a 2x3 by 3x4 matrix. So that way, I say that the 2D arrays gave us freedom to develop some matrix operations in a flexible manner. Whereas, in some applications, we may require some special variables of our interest, such a way that we will be in a position to do the operations, and also we will be in a position to attempt for the solution for such a problems. Thus, the word tractability we have used it. So, structures, unions, enumerators helps us to carry out some problems designed in a better manner, easier manner. Thus, we have our own variables known as user-defined variables. In this problem, we wanted to define our own user-defined variable, that is structured variable of type date. Normally, how do we define date? Day, month, year values. How they looks like? Day. What is the value of day? Normally, it will be 1 to 31. What is the value of month? 1 to 12. Similarly, year will be also integer in nature. Thus, we have defined the date type of structure as having 3 data members: integer d, integer m, integer y. Mind it, we can have structures with a different type of data members also. Not necessarily all of them are same type, that is of integer type. Depending upon our problem, we may have to identify the type of data members and their names. In this problem, date is identified to be having 3 integers. We have declared 2 variables, capital A and capital B, as structured variables of type date. How much memory will be allocated for these variables? It is nothing but sum total of the individual data members of the structure. For an integer, normally on some machines either 2 bytes or 4 bytes will be allocated. If I assume that the machine on which we are working the program is taking 2 bytes for integer, so thus for date type of structure integer d 2 bytes, integer m 2 bytes, integer y 2 bytes, thus it may require 6 bytes. Maybe if the machine is taking 4 bytes for an integer, then for a structured variable of type date, we require 12 bytes. Thus, for A, 12 bytes of memory will be allocated. For B, another 12 bytes of memory will be allocated. Thus, whenever we declare a structured variable, the memory will be allocated for them, like any other common variable till now we have discussed. If A is a structured variable of type date, then A dot D refers to the data member D of the structured variable. What type of variable is A dot D? It is an integer. Similarly, A dot M is also an integer, and also A dot Y. If we wanted to read data into the structured variable A, we have to read member by member only. Thus, this scanf statement we have written such a way that it will read data into A dot D, A dot M, A dot Y integers. Thus, we have used ampersands before each of them. The scanf statements are written to read the data into both structured variables A and B. The printf statements are written to print the information about this date type of structured variables A and B. As we want to print the integers values, that is A dot D, A dot M, A dot Y, B dot D, B dot M, B dot Y, what type of variables all of them are? They are integers. So while printing the values of an integer, do we require ampersand? No. In the same fashion here also, A dot D, A dot M, A dot Y, as they are integers and we want to print them, we don't require to use ampersand. So thus the printf statements are written to print date type of variables information. However, A information is printed in Indian style, that is day, month, year is printed, whereas B value is printed such a way that first month is printed and then day, that is American style. As of now, we understood